Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like this video, share it, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about Earnably. Okay, and if you stay to the end of this video, I have a free gift I want to give you just for saying thank you for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, and getting my channel this far. So if you're interested in that free gift, stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay? So Earnably is another get paid to site. You get paid to take surveys, watch videos, and do other offers. Okay? So right here we have where you guys will take surveys and you get disqualification points from it. Ads to media is where you go in there and you find offers. You complete those offers, you get points for those. Ad Gate Rewards, you get points for the offers you complete in there. Same with Offer Turo, and the rest is pretty much history. Completing offers and getting points for offers. Up here, you see that I have 30.1 points. That's equivalent to I have withdrawn from this site. So I want to, as we can see here, I have received $1 from PayPal Cash, and in order to get $1, I had to get to 100. So here we are where you guys can redeem your gift cards. They have PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, PlayStation Store, and many others. You guys can go through this and look to see what gift cards you would like to withdraw or redeem. And here is your free gift. Twitter is a cash cow when used right. Twitter is a very good way to market online. If you guys are interested in learning, go. There's your free gift. In order to receive this free gift, you would need to enter your correct information in the form. Tap on the I want it button. This will be sent to your email. Once you receive the email, you will then open it. Click on the link in your email and it will take you to a page that's going to look like this. Free Twitter Masterclass. I hope you guys enjoy this gift as much as I have. I have already watched the training on Twitter. It is amazing, and I would love for you guys to tell me what you think about your free gift and the Twitter Masterclass that you've got. Now we're going to scroll down to the bottom. You guys need to pay close attention to this. Just for watching my video all the way to the end, I've given you a free gift. I'm also going to give you a free bonus. So in order for you to receive that free bonus, tap on the click here button. That will then be. So take care. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. That free bonus, tap on the click here button. That will then be sent to your email as well. So take care. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, you guys. Show you that. Now over here is the invite tab where you can invite your friends. When you guys decide to refer people to the site, this is where you find your link here. You just copy it. Hold on one second. You gotta let the page load. Remember to do that, because if you do not let the page load, it will go completely slow when you're trying to open up different parts of the site. So we have the refer a friend section here, and I'm just going to click on this. This will copy this for me, my referral link, and then I'll be able to put this in the description below, so you guys will be able to sign up if you decide to join Earnably. You can promote this on Facebook and Twitter and any other social media sites. You guys can watch videos, you can do daily surveys, you can do tasks, you can download apps. Promo codes, you will find promo codes on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anywhere that where there's a social media site that has Earnably. You will be able to find promo codes that you enter in, and you will be able to receive those codes and get points added to your balance. All you would do is go to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever Earnably is on a social media site, you will be able to go there, click on the search bar on your social media site, search up Earnably, and it will take you to the Earnably page, and you will be able to find the promo code, and you will be then able to copy it and paste it in here, and you will get points added to your Earnably account. We got that down? Perfect. Now, for staying to the end of the video, I have a free gift I want to give you guys. Make sure you guys pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you. It is very important that you guys pay close attention. So without further ado, let's talk about your free gift.